Hey guys, today we gonna talk about LG G5. The LG G5 attempted to shake up the smartphone market, and while the phone itself is considered a flop, the direction it tried to push is still noticeable today. Modular capabilities were the big draw for the LG G5, with the promise of additional functionality delivered by add-ons you could buy separately, giving you cool extra features. In reality though, the LG G5's modules, or friends as it liked to refer to them, were lackluster, with a camera grip, audio DAC and 360 camera the only options to speak of. The phone itself was still one of the top flagship devices of 2016, and while it's since been superseded by the LG G6 and V30. For those on a budget, the G5 provides an interesting alternative to many of the cookie-cutter devices on the market. LG G5 is a modular smartphone and a massive change of pace for the South Korean firm. It's done away with cheap plastic and confusing leather finishes of the LG G4 in favor of a full metal body, while keeping fan-favorite features like a removable battery and micro SD card. The thing I like about LG and its smartphones is that it always seems to take chances with new technology, and that inventiveness is fully realized in the LG G5's dual rear camera. Unlike previous handsets such as the HTC One M8 and Honor 6 Plus, which combined both lenses to create one image with added depth, the LG G5 wants you to use each of its cameras independently. Round the back you'll find both a 16-megapixel and a wide-angle 8-megapixel camera. It's super easy to switch between the two from the camera app. Just hit the rectangle with a tree and to use the 16-megapixel snapper, or the rectangle with 3 trees and to switch to the wide-angle option. LG always offers up something a bit different with its flagship smartphones. From curved displays and self-healing rears, to leather finishes and modular design, the South Korean firm likes to take a walk on the wild side, and I like that. In a market where almost indistinguishable glass and metal slabs dominate, LG brings a point of intrigue and interest, although it doesn't always fully pay off. The Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge offer up the perfect package of features, design and performance, and while the LG G5 is very good, it just doesn't feel as complete. The LG G5 is a bit of a funny one. It's giving us a glimpse of the future thanks to the modular setup, but its true potential is currently unrealized, and things could stay that way for a while as we wait for exciting new modules to appear. Where does that leave us then? There's still a well-built handset with a premium design, although not as premium as its competitors, a huge amount of power and a smart dual camera setup on the rear. It's not like there's a shortage of features then, but somehow the G5 doesn't quite feel complete. There's nothing inherently wrong, the battery could be better, but it's lacking that final layer of finesse to pull everything together into a tidy package.